The world before automobiles.
Before the rise of motorcars, horse-drawn carriages dominated city streets and country roads alike. These vehicles, powered by horses or mules, were the main mode of personal and commercial transport for centuries. While elegant, carriages were slow, limited in range, and required daily care for animals. Growing cities and consumer demands soon exposed the limitations of this mode of travel.
Innovation and the first motor vehicles.
The late 19th century marked a turning point as inventors experimented with steam, electric, and gasoline engines. Karl Benz is widely credited with building the first practical automobile in 1885, powered by an internal combustion engine. Other pioneers, such as Gottlieb Daimler and Emil Roger, helped refine these machines, driving public curiosity and sparking fierce competition across Europe and America.
From luxury toy to everyday necessity.
Early automobiles were rare and expensive, owned by wealthy enthusiasts who hired mechanics just to operate them. Road infrastructure was poor, limiting accessibility. But advances in mass production, most notably Henry Ford's assembly line in 1913, dramatically reduced costs. Cars rapidly transitioned from luxury status symbols to practical tools for families and businesses alike.
Automobile culture takes hold.
As cars became commonplace, societies began to change around them. Roads and highways expanded, fueling travel and tourism. New industries blossomed, from drive-in theaters to fast food and suburban housing. Owning a car became synonymous with independence and status. And the freedom to travel reshaped how people lived, worked, and socialized.
The legacy of mass mobility.
The shift from carriages to cars launched the era of mass mobility. The automobile's rise transformed economies, landscapes, and daily life. It sparked debates about safety, the environment, and urban planning that continue today. The birth of the automobile not only changed transportation, it created a culture and revolutionized the way people connect with the world.